Hello students. So today we will solve some examples based on area under simple curves. Okay, yesterday we saw equation of a circle, equation of an ellipse, then equations of parabolas. Okay, so today we will take yesterday we solved some in general problems for equation of a circle and equation of a this ellipse, right? Today we'll take one specific case. Okay, so let's solve. X square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1. Okay, so this is a area, this is equation of an ellipse. Okay, so we have to write this in the form x square upon a square, so 5 square, plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So your a is 5 and b distance is 4. So this point will be 5 comma 0 and this point is 0 comma 4. Okay, now let's solve. Okay, you have to find the area bounded by this equation, so this ellipse. Okay, so we will be taking this okay, so what is a? Here a is 5 and b is 4. Okay, so we are considering this strip. Okay, so it is a y strip and you have to move from your x point is changing and you are considering a y strip. Okay, so 0 to 5 you have to take. So this will be integral 0 to 5 y dx, right? And y you can write in terms of f of x. Okay, so you have to find y from this first. Okay, so this will be what I will write here: y square by 4 square equal to 1 minus x square upon 5 square. Okay, so y square will be 5 square minus x square upon 5 square, and this 4 square comes here, so root. Okay, so y will be equal to root of 4 and 5 comes out, so 4 by 5 root of 5 square minus x square. Okay, so this is your y, so you have to put it here. 0 to 5, your y is 4 upon 5 root of 5 square minus x square, and this is dx. Okay, so 4 by 5 you can take outside, so 0 to 5 root of 5 square minus x square dx. Okay, so now you have to use the standard result, a square minus x square. So this we have seen, and okay, I will write it again. X by 2, okay, root of 5 square minus x square plus a is your a square upon 2 sine inverse x by a, it is 5. Okay, so 0 to 5. So when you put 0, first you have to put 5, right? So when you put 5 here, this term becomes 0 and this term is 5 square by 2 sine inverse 5 by 5, that is sine inverse of 1. And when you put 0 in the second term, it becomes 0, right? So I will write here only 25 by 2 sine inverse of 1. Okay, and sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So your answer is, this 5 gets cancelled, so you will get 5 pi. Okay, and this is the area for the first part, this part. Okay, the whole part it becomes into 4, so total area is 4 into 5 pi, which is 20 pi units. Okay, so this is the answer, square units. Okay. Now let's see one more problem. Let's solve this. So it is given in the form 4x square plus 9y square 36. Okay, so you have to get it in the form x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Okay, so first you have to make this term 1, so divide the whole thing by 36. Okay, so this will be 1, this will be 9, this will be 4. So the new equation is x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. So 9 you can write it as 3 square and 4 you can write it as 2 square. So your A is 3 and B is 2. Okay, let's draw the figure. So this point is 3, 0 and this point is 0, 2. Okay, let's take the other way, this. Okay, so this strip is your x and it is changing with respect to y, so y points you have to take, that is 0 to b. Okay, so 0 to 2 x dy. Okay, so first you have to find what is x from this equation. So x square by 3 square equal to 1 minus y square upon 2 square. So this will be 2 square minus y square upon 2 square, and the 3 square gets multiplied here and the root part. Okay, so this is your x. So you will get 3 by 2 root of 2 square minus y square. So this is your x. So substitute 2 square minus y square dy. Okay, now you use root of 2 square minus y square. You have to use standard formula result. Okay, I will write y by 2 root of 2 square minus y square plus a square, that is 2 square by 2 sin inverse y by 2, 0 to 2. Okay. So as we have seen in previous question, only this term remains, right, when you put y equal to 2. So I will write it here only 2 square by 2 sin inverse of 1. Okay, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So this gets cancelled. You will get 3 by 2 pi. Okay, and this is for the whole thing. So this answer will be, total area will be 3 by 2 pi into 4. So it is 6 pi square units. This is the final answer. Okay, let's start with a new subtopic, that is area between a curve and a line. Okay, so you have to find the area of the region between a curve. Curve is given y equal to x square and a line is given y equal to 4. Okay, now this is your parabola. So if you remember the equations for parabola, then we had x square equal to 4ay, right, and this was the parabola, upward parabola, right, and this is a line. So let's draw. So your upward parabola is like this. Okay, and a line y equal to 4. If this is a 4, then this line is your y equal to 4, and this is your y equal to x square part. Okay, now you have to find area of this region. Okay, this point is your 0, 4, right? So first is you have to mark this A, B. So we'll consider a strip here. Okay, so I am considering a X strip. Okay, and the Y is changing from 0 to 4. Okay, so this becomes 0 to 4 x dy, right? So x you have to write in terms of y. So you can take this y equal to x square. So your x becomes root of y. Okay, so root y dy. Now you integrate. So root y, integration of root y, that is y raised to half dy, is y raised to half plus 1 upon half plus 1. So this will be, and this is from 0 to 4, right? 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So this you can write 2 by 3. And this is from 0 to 4. Now you substitute value of y. So 4 raised to 3 by 2 and right here. So this will be 2 by 3 is outside. So 4 raised to 3 by 2. Okay, for 0 it is 0. So 4 raised to 3 by 2, and this is 2 by 3. Now this answer is for this part, right? Only for the first part, and we have two parts, so for both I will have to take into 2. So total area is 2 into 2 by 3. 4 raised to 3 by 2 you can write it as 4 raised to half. Okay, so 3 by 2 you can split, that is 3 into half you can write, so raised to 3 you can write. Okay, 4 raised to half means it is root of 4, and root of 4 is your 2, right? And 2 cube is 8. So 2 into 2 by 3 into 8. Okay, so the final answer will be 32 by 3 square units. So this is the total area. Okay.